Today I will be talking about the 5 love languages. Who came up with the theory? Gary Chapman was an American author and radio talk show host, most known for his theory of the 5 love languages. It presents 5 different ways that you and your romantic partner give and receive love. What are the 5 types? Quality time, words of affirmation, gift giving, acts of service, and physical touch. Quality time refers to showing love and affection by spending dedicated time together. Some examples are having a regular date night planned or having no distractions while spending time together while doing your favorite hobbies. Words of affirmation are spoken or written words that confirm support, uplift one another in a positive manner. So saying things like, I appreciate you, you look amazing, you are special, are ways to convey words of affirmation. Gift giving is when love is shown anywhere between meaningful gifts to surprise deliveries. So getting their favorite flowers or chocolate. Acts of service is a language that can best be described as doing something for your partner that you know they would do for you. When you give acts of service, you give up your time. For example, filling up their gas, watering their plants, or cooking a meal for them. Last but not least is physical touch, and refers to expressing and receiving affection through touch, physical closeness, and other forms of physical connection. Examples are kissing, hugging, holding hands in public, or displaying love in a public environment. In conclusion, the way one gives and receives love is different, and one person can have more than one love language. It is just that a specific love language is more prominent. Therefore, there are many quizzes out there that determine your love language, but the official link to the quiz is right down here. And yeah, those are the 5 love languages, and here are the references.